Leo wakes up early in the morning. He feels tired and sleepy. His body feels heavy. Something is not right. Leo holds his head. He has a strong headache. The pain is uncomfortable. He closes his eyes. Leo feels very hot. His face looks pale. He feels cold and hot together. He starts to worry. Leo checks his temperature. The thermometer shows fever. He looks surprised. His health is not good. Leo drinks some water. He tries to feel better, but the pain stays. Rest does not help. Leo thinks about his health. He cannot ignore the pain. He decides to see a doctor. It is the right choice. Leo wears clean clothes. He takes his wallet and phone. He feels weak but ready. He leaves his room. Leo locks the door carefully. He steps outside slowly. Fresh air touches his face. He walks to the clinic. Leo walks slowly on the road. His steps are heavy. He feels tired very quickly. The clinic is close. Leo reaches the clinic. The place looks clean. He feels a little relief. He enters the building. Leo talks to the receptionist. He explains his problem. She listens politely. She gives him a token. Leo sits in the waiting area. Other patients are sitting quietly. The room is peaceful. Leo feels nervous. The doctor calls Leo's name. Leo stands up slowly. He walks into the room. He greets the doctor. The doctor asks some questions. Leo talks about headache and fever. He feels weak and tired. The doctor listens carefully. The doctor checks Leo's temperature. He listens to his heartbeat. He checks his throat. Everything is normal. The doctor smiles gently. He explains the problem. It is a mild illness. No need to panic. The doctor gives advice. He says take proper rest, drink plenty of water, eat healthy food. The doctor gives medicine. He explains the dosage. Leo listens carefully. He feels thankful. Leo leaves the clinic. He feels relaxed now. He is hopeful. He goes back home. After a few days, Leo feels better. His fever is gone. He feels active and happy. Good health brings peace.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.